Dear students, welcome to this video. Today, here we'll be discussing differentiation using logarithm. Generally, when function is given in the form of power of some expression or product of some expression, then it is always advisable to use logarithm to make the given expression more simple for differentiation. Before starting some questions, I would like to give some focus on logarithm. So let us start with definition of logarithm. If you write a to the power x is equal to b, then in the logarithmic form, this is written as log of b to the base a, this is equal to x. So here this exponent, this power is the value of logarithm of b to this base a. So log of b to the base a is equal to x. So in this way, log of a given number or given expression can be defined. And there are some basic formula based on logarithm that we must recall. Here log of m into n, this is equal to log of m plus log of n. Second, log of m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. Third, log of m to the power n, this is equal to n times of log of m. And fourth, log of b to the base a, this is equal to log of b to the base 10 upon log of a to the base 10. So these are some very simple and basic formula on logarithm which will be used in our exercise that we are going to discuss now. So let us see some exercises. Our concept will be more clear now. First question. If y is equal to root over x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5, then we have to find here derivative of y with respect to x. So as we have discussed just now, here this expression is in the form of square root, means power half. So better to take logarithm in both the sides. So taking log in both the sides, we can write here in left side log of y is equal to log of this much. So with the help of the formula that we discussed just now, this can be written as half into log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now this can be reduced in the form of log of m into n, and here this quotient log m by n. So we can write here this is equal to half log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So now it has been reduced in a very simple form. Now we'll start differentiating this expression. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. In the left hand side, ddx of log y can be written as 1 upon y dy by dx. Since we know the formula, d dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. So on the basis of this formula, we can write here 1 by y, and again y will be differentiated with respect to x on the basis of chain rule. And this is equal to, here also we'll differentiate this expression with respect to x. So d dx of log x is 1 upon x minus 3. d dx of x square plus 4. First of all, we will differentiate it with respect to x square plus 4, then x square plus 4 will be differentiated with respect to x by chain rule. So this will be 1 upon x square plus 4, and here derivative of this much will be 2x. Next term minus derivative of log of this much, we can write here 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and now derivative of this expression with respect to x into, we can write here 6x plus 4. Now we'll simplify it. Here we have to find out dy by dx, so we can transpose this y to right hand side. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into half into 1 upon x minus 3 plus 2x upon x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. In fact, we have got the result here. Just we have to put the value of y which has been given in the questions. Y is equal to this much. So by putting the value of y here, we will get answer. We get this answer. Just put value of y is equal to this much here in this step. We will get the result. Let us see next question. If cos x whole to the power y is equal to cos of y whole to the power x, then find derivative of y with respect to x. After taking log both the sides, we can write here y into log of cos x is equal to x into log of cos y. Now let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we can write here, we can use here product rule. There is a product of two functions y and log of cos x. So we will use product rule here. So first function derivative of second function log cos x plus second function log of cos x into derivative of first function means derivative of y means dy by dx. Similarly, in the right hand side also, this is product of two functions. So while differentiating, we will use product rule here. So this is first function derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function, that is 1. Now next step, this is y and derivative of cos x with respect to x, this is derivative of log x is 1 by x. So on that basis we can write here 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x with respect to x by chain rule. So this will be minus sin x. So this is y, derivative of this much we have got here. Next term log of cos x, derivative of y with respect to x. This is equal to x. Here also we have to differentiate with respect to x. So this is x. Derivative of log cos y will be 1 upon cos y, and into derivative of cos y is minus sin y, and we will write here dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x, and plus log of cos y into 1. I hope this is clear. Now further we will simplify it. So here this term is minus of, this is minus, so minus y into tan x, sin x by cos x, tan x, plus, you see here we are having two terms of dy by dx. So dy by dx will take common in the next step. Here this is plus log of cos x into dy by dx. And this is equal to, in the right hand side we are getting, again this is sin y by cos y is tan y, so this is minus x, sorry, this will be tan y, minus x tan y, x tan y, and dy by dx, and dy by dx plus log of cos y. Now let us transpose this term to left hand side so that we could take common dy by dx from both the terms, and we will transpose this term to the right hand side. So taking dy by dx common from these two terms, we can write log of cos x plus x tan y into dy by dx is equal to this y tan x has been transferred to right hand side. So here we are having log of cos y, log of cos y, and this will be transferred to right hand side, becomes y tan x. Now we have got a very simple form, so we'll get the value of dy by dx here, dy by dx, this part will be transposed to right hand side, it will come in the denominator, so this is log of cos y plus y tan x upon log of cos x plus x tan y. This is the answer. So dear students, in this way we can solve these questions using logarithm both the sides and simplifying it. So I will give you some more videos also for some more problems on this topic. So dear students, I hope you might have got benefit from these videos. So please subscribe my channel and share these videos with your friends also, so that they could also got benefit from it. Thank you very much.